Okay, so here we're going to show you how to register a job. So we're going to create the settings, which we're going to do the compact compression settings, and then I'll show you how to save it. So then you have a shortcut on your screen here. So for scanning, you've got three different options. You got scan to email, scan to folder, address book. And technically, they all go to the same place. So if you go to scan to email, that's your list of email addresses. All it's doing is narrowing it down by email. And then you hit OK, and it brings you to your scan settings. If you go to scan to folder, it just narrows it down by your network folder. Now this machine, we don't have any folder path set up here, so it's blank. And then your address book is default to email. So technically, the address button is exactly as your scan email. Now you can change it here, you can go down network, you can go to all, but essentially, these three buttons all go to the same place. They just narrow down your list by whatever you select here. So we are going to not select any address, because if you select an address, then when you save the button, it would always go to that person. So we don't want to do that. What we want to do is make sure our color mode and our resolution are set correctly. So we go to color mode, and then you gotta look, we gotta do auto, and we wanna make sure it's on mono 2. And this is for email. So now we got to go network folder, auto, mono 2. So, and then you don't have to worry about this one because it's the same settings as your network folder. So you only have to worry about email and network folder. So you hit OK. So now our color mode's correct. Resolution. So we have all these different options, but we want the compact. So we're going to go up to file format, and make sure that we're selected on the color grayscale. If you're on black and white, you won't see that compact. So I want to make sure on color grayscale, hit compact, hit OK. And now, we also need to make sure that the folder's the same. This is where we got messed up. See how you have all those options? File format. Make sure on compact, but that's email, network folder, compact. And now we're good. So now, if we go to resolution, you can double check. Email, everything's grayed out. Network folder, everything's grayed out. And you can, if you want to confirm the FTP desktop, everything's grayed out. So now we know that's set up correctly. So we got our colors auto, resolution is set. So now we have to program this. So we're going to go to program registration. And you can select an empty slot here. So we don't have anything saved. So I'm just going to go to number 1. It's going to ask you to name it. So you can just call it scan, you can call it scan compact. Whatever you want to name it. And we're going to hit OK. And it's going to ask you where you want to put it. We're going to register for home. It's going to ask for a password. Password is admin. Hit OK. And then it's going to be like, OK. All right. Registration to home is completed. All right, so now if we hit the home button, all right, we're ready to go. So we need to go over and find it. So now we got our scan to compact. You got your auto, and your resolution is all set. So you don't have to make any of those changes. Now, if you want to put it on the front page, so we have to go here and then click on, I call it the eject button, edit home, admin, all right, so then we select the key we want to change. We want to, actually we can't do that yet. Hold on here. We have to get rid of something from the home page. So to do that, we'll just get rid of the scan to folder. We're gonna move that guy. Or you can delete it if you don't need it. You can move it, delete it, whatever you need to do. And then we'll just put it there, just out of the way. So now we're gonna take this guy, move it, go back to the first page, put in that empty slot, and now it's there. So then we have to exit home edit mode. And that is how you create a custom button that has all your settings you want and how you can move it to where you want it to go. So Next, I'll show you that when you already have an existing shortcut button and you want to make a change, how to do that. I'll do that in the next video.